Hello internet, this is going to be the first of many videos. Yes, my closets are chronically open, deal with it. I'm just gonna set up my little tripod over here. So it's very messy. I was planning on like a very cool first video for my return of YouTube. I just overthink it and then I don't think it's good enough and then I don't even do any of the ideas that I've had because no, it's not going to look good or it's not going to make sense. I'm just getting started now and I'm busy. Wait, can you see the thread? I'm busy threading my machine because I wasn't planning on doing fashion at all. Sorry, there's so much stuff here. This is a bag of fabric. I have so many fabric bags, it's not even funny. I am a fashion student. I don't want to make it my entire identity, but it is what I'm currently busy studying and also what I'm doing currently. I'm making stuff. I made the pants I'm wearing. Shows my shirt. Wow, all different kinds of denim. My next project for myself is going to be patch pants but made out of brown corduroys, so I'll also be documenting that for this. But right now I'm actually finishing up some projects that I have been neglecting. I just haven't been working on them, which, yes, it's called slow fashion, but I'm like, yes, I'm into slow fashion, but this has been taking forever. There comes a point where you're like, I'm sorry, I've been taking way too long. Here's your thing that you bought from me. So today, the lucky project, I'm doing a bobbin. So this is the bobbin case and this is the bobbin, and then when you pull the string it has to go clockwise. That is going anti-clockwise. Just flip it around and then you see that's clockwise. Does it matter? Yes, it kind of does. My friend came over to visit one time and she tried it on and she has black jeans with the same like white threaded detailing. I made this, by the way, and that's a flat foul seam with white top stitching. I don't have this white thread, so I'm doubling up normal white thread and just hoping that's gonna work. I'm very happy with this project. It has a big long zip, so the pockets are kind of gonna come here because like you kind of want to put your hands there. But also a cool thing about it is I got a dual-ended zip. So she can walk like this, it's closed up here, her pants can still shine. Yes, I love this. I think I'm definitely gonna have to make another one. It's also very cool when friends support your art or your endeavors. She also went to a lot of my music gigs when I was doing music. I'll probably do music again sometime. But for now I'm just finishing my degree, hopefully making money from making clothes, and then I can also get back into my music and do gigs and stuff, but also wear really cool outfits that I made for myself. So that's cool. So here's the pocket. I overlocked all of the sides and then I ironed it inwards. So now I'm just gonna do like two stripies here at the top, so that this is where the hand's gonna go in, and then I'm gonna place it on the thing, on the jacket. I also made a little tag. Where's my tag? I'll go find another one. I carved out the stamp myself and then I stamped it onto, there's some old fusing on this scrap piece of fabric, maybe I can just take it off, but I cut out the stamp myself, did some liner art again, which I love. I really love this degree that I'm doing because it's kind of reconnecting me with a lot of old hobbies that I would like, or things that I adored when I was in like primary school, when we would have art class. Like I remember I made a baby Pluto lino and that was the funnest thing in the world. So I might also just be doing more lino art for the clothes that I make. But I decided to make these tags and I asked her if she wants it inside or outside of the jacket, so she also just replied to me with a voice note. So I'm gonna go and listen to that and also sew the pants, sew the pockets for the jacket slash parka slash hoodie situation, and I will update you with how the things be looking. I'm actually very happy with myself because I don't have top stitching thread, but I doubled up to white threads, normal threads that you would just use for normal sewing, and it it works. Scene of what actually is happening. Usually you do the pockets on the bodice pieces before you put everything together, but I was quite rushed when I did it last year. Just kind of wanted to get it over with, but now I have time and I'm putting on the pockets. I'm definitely going to be intentional with adding pockets to my range. I like pockets, they're great. My aim has gotten considerably better over the course of 2 years. So the bottom threads I'm using is black so that it doesn't really pop up, but also you can see over there it's like kind of peeking through. But here's pocket number 1. That's a sexy looking pocket. Yay, that's a pocket. Where's the other pocket? There's the other pocket. And I added some lines at the bottom and on the cuffs. And the piece de resistance. My cute tag is on the inside. This was all made by me. You can see the mess even more. Woo! But yes, this is her. I'm very happy with it. I'm glad that it's finally finished now, because now I don't have to worry about it anymore. I very much vibe with this, that it can open like that, because yeah, she'll be able to show off her pants. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Bye. Have a good time. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Quite proud. Let's do a little, and then you can also do it like this and like that. Yay! It's done. Finish your projects, whatever they are. Like, just try and finish one. Add like one extra thing that you can to that project instead of it just sitting there and doing nothing, you know? And next on my to-do list of things is going to be that. There's some personal stuff, not personal stuff, more like there's some personal clothing items that I'm not going to sell, but most of the stuff I am going to sell. And then look at all those jackets. I'm going to sell all those jackets as well. There's some more fabric there. Those are jeans that I'm going to use for my self-expression range this year, 2023. And yeah, there's some sweaters in here that I'm also going to sell. So very exciting times, very exciting stuff. I feel like the biggest journey this year is going to be me finally being organized and like tidy at most times, which I'm fully ready for. I hate mess. I've just learned to live with it and just ignore it and deal with it and continue with my day. But I'm done with that. I'm going to be super organized, which is, I already have some organizational things that like is a part of me. Like look at all my threads. Also, people with trypophobia, don't do sewing. You're gonna see a lot of circles everywhere. But yes, I also fixed an overlocker that my aunt gave me. She wasn't using it anymore, so I used that overlocker today for the pockets. Flawless design. Okay, bye. Bye. Goodbye.